नमस्कार। जाएं तो आखिर जाएं कहाँ? आजकल जिस प्रकार से हमारे इर्द गिर्द समाचार बन रहे हैं, जिस प्रकार से घटनाएं घट रही हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत लंबा समय लगेगा हमें बिफोर वी स्टार्ट लुकिंग आउट फॉर सम गुड न्यूज। Look at what's happening today. There is no respite from the growth in COVID positive cases. We have breached the 1,50,000 mark as we had predicted here on Dr. Bhupen, and experts are saying that if the rate of doubling continues between 14 days and 16 days, it could very well be that by the end of next month, you could be looking at a figure of 1 million positive COVID cases in India. Already in terms of the infection spread, हम विश्व भर में, पूरी दुनिया में अब हम चौथे स्थान पर पहुंच चुके हैं। सवाल बार बार ये उठता है कि एक और लॉकडाउन, एक और अर्थव्यवस्था की इतनी बुरी हालत, and despite that we have not really managed to stem the growth of this pandemic. That is something which the policymakers must be asked to answer. On the economy front, two important pieces of information coming in. SBI की जो रिसर्च एजेंसी है, उन्होंने कहा है कि अगले साल के पहले क्वार्टर तक आप इस देश की जीडीपी का 40% भूल जाइए। 40% contraction is what is being predicted by SBI research. An overall loss of well over 30 lakh crores, and this loss is going to be permanent. What it tells you, and that's something which is being enhanced and amplified by CRISIL, another rating agency, is that the overall loss to India's GDP is going to be at 10%. आप सोचिए, 141 करोड़ की आबादी के देश में 10% जीडीपी अगर खत्म हो जाए तो इस देश का आम नागरिक जाएगा तो कहां जाएगा? और ऐसे समय में योगी जी कहते हैं कि वो एक एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज बनाएंगे, जो 25 लाख माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स जो बाहर से आ रहे हैं उन सबको नौकरियां दी जाएंगी। अगर इकोनॉमी की इतनी बुरी हालत, if we are struggling to this extent, then how are we going to look after the needy? How are we going to look after the poor, the underprivileged? Is the government really thinking on these lines, or is the government thinking, I'm reaching out to Maharashtra government, I'm reaching out to West Bengal government, why are these governments not responding? We're still trying to build a political narrative in our approach to pandemic where it should purely be based on policy and not on politics. India is staring at its worst ever depression perhaps right since our independence. In this depression, सबसे पहला क्या कदम उठाती है कंपनी? लोगों को नौकरियों से हटा दिया जाता है। बार बार हमने देखा है, जब मनमोहन सिंह प्रधानमंत्री थे तब भी ऐसा ही हुआ। Layoffs, they're the root of the game. Now layoffs, when they happen in the US and the UK, they have a different impact because there are social security mechanisms there. When layoffs happen in India, you really don't have any social security mechanism here for the poor and the needy to be looked after. After Ola, Uber has now decided to lay off 600 people. So if I look at the broad picture in front of me, on one hand, we are looking at locust attack, which is impacting agriculture. Dal crop is being impacted to the tune of 9,000 crores. More states are now coming under the impact of this locust attack. In Uttarakhand, forest fires are suddenly raging, whereas across the country, we're seeing the pandemic is just not showing any signs of wearing off. So where does this take us? Are we now staring at lockdown 5.0? Is India going to remain in a lockdown environment only? What else can be the counter to this corona pandemic? Think about it and let me know.